My colleague from the cleaning company couldn't believe how well this works. In this short video, we'll show you how to make a natural floor cleaner that not only leaves your home smelling fresh, but also helps keep insects away. In half a liter of warm water, add 100 milliliters of vinegar, which has antimicrobial properties. Vinegar is not only an effective cleaner that freshens up any room, but it's also a powerful ally against stains and grease. It neutralizes unpleasant odors and leaves a clean, natural scent behind. Next, add 1 tablespoon of kitchen salt. Salt is great for floor cleaning because of its abrasive texture, which helps remove tough stains and grime. It also has natural disinfectant properties that help eliminate bacteria and bad odors. The final ingredient is 1 tablespoon of mint. Mint acts as a natural insect repellent due to its strong scent, which many pests can't stand. Strain the mixture through a cheesecloth to get a clean liquid. Mix it with 5 or more liters of water, and it's ready to use. Now you have an excellent chemical-free floor cleaner, made with simple ingredients.